The United States is a vast and diverse country, brimming with breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant cultures. Whether you're seeking stunning natural wonders, iconic landmarks, or hidden gems, there's something for every traveler. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the top 15 best places to visit in the USA, showcasing destinations that promise unforgettable experiences. From bustling cities to serene national parks, each location offers its own unique charm and attractions. So, buckle up as we explore these must-visit spots that will inspire your next adventure and ignite your wanderlust. Let's dive into the incredible beauty and excitement that awaits you across this amazing country. Number 15, Austin, Texas. Known as the live music capital of the world, Austin boasts a vibrant art scene, eclectic culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. This city is famous for its annual South by Southwest SSW Festival, which attracts artists and innovators from around the globe. With its stunning parks like Zilker Park and the picturesque Lady Bird Lake, outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to explore. The unique blend of historic sites, such as the Texas State Capitol, and modern attractions like the trendy South Congress Avenue, make Austin a captivating destination. While it ranks at number 15, its lively atmosphere and rich cultural tapestry set the stage for the even more iconic experiences awaiting in higher-ranked locations. Number 14, Hawaii. A tropical paradise known for its stunning beaches, lush landscapes, and vibrant culture, Hawaii offers an unparalleled escape into nature's beauty. Each island boasts its own unique charm, from the volcanic wonders of the Big Island to the breathtaking cliffs of Kauai. Visitors can immerse themselves in rich traditions, enjoy world-class surfing, and explore the diverse marine life in crystal-clear waters. While Hawaii's allure is undeniable, it ranks at number 14 due to its relative remoteness and higher travel costs compared to other destinations. However, its breathtaking sunsets and warm hospitality make it a must-visit, setting the stage for even more accessible adventures in the higher-ranked locations. Number 13, Boston, Massachusetts. Steeped in history and brimming with charm, Boston is a city where the past meets the present. Known for its pivotal role in American history, visitors can walk the Freedom Trail, exploring iconic sites like the Boston Tea Party ships and the Paul Revere House. The city's vibrant neighborhoods, such as the North End with its delicious Italian cuisine, add to its allure. While Boston's rich cultural offerings and academic prestige make it a captivating destination, it ranks at number 13 due to its bustling urban environment and higher cost of living compared to other cities. Nevertheless, its historical significance and lively atmosphere set the stage for even more remarkable experiences in the higher-ranked locations. Number 12, Seattle, Washington. Nestled between the stunning Puget Sound and the majestic Cascade Mountains, Seattle is a city known for its innovative spirit and natural beauty. Famous for the iconic Space Needle and bustling Pike Place Market, visitors can indulge in fresh seafood and artisanal coffee while soaking in the vibrant atmosphere. The city's thriving tech scene and rich music history, from grunge to jazz, add to its cultural depth. However, Seattle ranks at number 12 due to its often overcast weather and higher living costs compared to other destinations. Despite this, its breathtaking views and unique blend of urban and outdoor experiences make it a compelling choice, paving the way for even more enticing locations ahead. Before we continue with the video, are you looking for affordable travel options? If the answer is yes, then Avia Sales is your go-to resource for finding cheap flights to destinations around the world. With Avia Sales' powerful search tools, you can easily compare prices, discover deals, and book the best flights without breaking the bank. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a long vacation, we make it simple to fly for less. Start your journey with us and save on your next adventure. Number 11, Orlando, Florida. Renowned as the theme park capital of the world, Orlando is a family-friendly destination that promises endless fun and adventure. Home to iconic attractions like Walt Disney World and Universal Studios, visitors can immerse themselves in fantastical worlds and thrilling rides. Beyond the parks, Orlando boasts beautiful lakes, vibrant nightlife, and a burgeoning culinary scene. While its entertainment options are unparalleled, Orlando ranks at number 11 due to its heavy tourist traffic and the potential for long wait times at attractions. Nevertheless, the magic and excitement of this city create unforgettable memories, setting the stage for even more diverse and enriching experiences in the higher-ranked locations. Number 10. Los Angeles, California. A sprawling metropolis known for its glitz and glamour, Los Angeles is the heart of the entertainment industry, where dreams come to life. From the iconic Hollywood sign to the star-studded streets of Beverly Hills, the city offers a unique blend of culture, art, and innovation. Visitors can explore world-class museums, enjoy diverse culinary experiences, and relax on stunning beaches like Santa Monica. However, Louisiana ranks at number 10 due to its notorious traffic congestion and sprawling layout, which can make getting around a challenge. Despite these drawbacks, the vibrant energy and endless opportunities for exploration make it a captivating destination, paving the way for even more remarkable experiences in the higher-ranked locations. Number 9. Chicago, Illinois. Known as the Windy City, Chicago is a vibrant hub of architecture, culture, and culinary delights. The stunning skyline featuring the Willis Tower and John Hancock Center offers breathtaking views, while the city's rich history is showcased in its museums and historic neighborhoods. Food lovers can indulge in the famous deep dish pizza and diverse dining options that reflect its multicultural heritage. Chicago ranks at number 9 due to its harsh winters and occasional crime concerns, which can deter some visitors. However, the city's lively arts scene, beautiful lakefront, and friendly locals create an inviting atmosphere, setting the stage for even more extraordinary experiences in the higher-ranked destinations. Number 8. Washington, D.C. The capital of the United States, Washington, D.C., is a city steeped in history and political significance. Home to iconic landmarks such as the White House, the Lincoln Memorial, and the U.S. Capitol, visitors can immerse themselves in the nation's rich heritage. The city also boasts world-class museums, including the Smithsonian Institution, offering free access to art and history. While D.C. ranks at number 8 due to its sometimes overwhelming tourist crowds and limited nightlife compared to other major cities, its educational and cultural offerings are unparalleled. The blend of history and modernity creates a unique atmosphere, setting the stage for even more captivating experiences in the higher-ranked destinations. Number 7. New Orleans, Louisiana. Renowned for its vibrant culture, rich history, and lively music scene, New Orleans is a city like no other. Famous for its annual Mardi Gras celebration, the city pulses with energy, showcasing colorful parades and festive traditions. The French Quarter, with its stunning architecture and lively atmosphere, invites visitors to explore jazz clubs, art galleries, and delectable Creole cuisine. While New Orleans ranks at number 7 due to its humid climate and occasional hurricane threats, its unique blend of cultures and unforgettable experiences make it a must-visit destination. The city's enchanting charm and spirited celebrations set the stage for even more remarkable adventures in the higher-ranked locations. Number 6. Miami, Florida. A dazzling coastal city known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rich cultural diversity, Miami is a tropical paradise that attracts sunseekers and partygoers alike. The iconic Art Deco architecture of South Beach combined with the lively atmosphere of Ocean Drive creates a unique blend of relaxation and excitement. Miami's culinary scene is equally impressive, featuring flavors from Latin America and the Caribbean. While it ranks at number 6 due to its high humidity and occasional hurricane season, the city's allure lies in its dynamic energy and beautiful landscapes. This captivating destination sets the stage for even more extraordinary experiences in the higher-ranked locations. Number 5. Las Vegas, Nevada. Known as the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas is a dazzling oasis in the desert, famous for its vibrant nightlife, luxurious resorts, and extravagant shows. The iconic Las Vegas Strip is lined with opulent casinos, world-class dining, and spectacular attractions like the Bellagio fountains and the High Roller Observation Wheel. Visitors can indulge in thrilling entertainment, from Cirque du Soleil performances to headline concerts. While Las Vegas ranks at number 5 due to its reputation for excess and potential for overwhelming crowds, its unique blend of excitement and glamour creates an unforgettable experience. This electrifying city sets the stage for even more remarkable adventures in the higher-ranked destinations. Number 4, San Francisco, California. A city renowned for its stunning vistas, iconic landmarks, and diverse culture, San Francisco captivates visitors with its unique charm. The majestic Golden Gate Bridge offers breathtaking views, while the historic cable cars provide a nostalgic way to explore the hilly streets. The vibrant neighborhoods, such as Chinatown and the Mission District, showcase a rich tapestry of cultures and cuisines. San Francisco ranks at number 4 due to its high cost of living and often chilly weather, which can be a drawback for some travelers. Nevertheless, the city's artistic spirit and picturesque scenery create an unforgettable experience, setting the stage for even more extraordinary adventures in the higher-ranked destinations. Number 3, Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming. As the first national park in the world, Yellowstone is a breathtaking natural wonder that showcases the beauty of the American wilderness. Famous for its geothermal features, including the iconic Old Faithful Geyser and vibrant hot springs, the park is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Wildlife enthusiasts can spot bison, elk, and grizzly bears roaming freely in their natural habitat. Yellowstone ranks at number 3 due to its remote location and seasonal accessibility, which can limit visitor numbers. However, its stunning landscapes and rich biodiversity create an unforgettable experience, setting the stage for even more awe-inspiring adventures in the higher-ranked destinations. Number 2, Grand Canyon, Arizona. A breathtaking natural masterpiece, the Grand Canyon is renowned for its immense size and stunning geological formations. Carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, this UNESCO World Heritage Site offers awe-inspiring vistas that leave visitors speechless. The vibrant colors of the canyon walls, especially at sunrise and sunset, create a mesmerizing spectacle. Hiking trails such as the Bright Angel Trail provide opportunities for adventure and exploration, while the Skywalk offers a thrilling view from above. The Grand Canyon ranks at number 2 due to its popularity and potential for overcrowding, yet its unparalleled beauty and grandeur make it a must-visit destination, setting the stage for the ultimate experience in the top-ranked location. Number 1, New York City, New York. Often dubbed the Big Apple, New York City is a vibrant metropolis that pulsates with energy and diversity. Home to iconic landmarks such as Times Square, Central Park, and the Statue of Liberty, the city offers a unique blend of culture, art, and history. Visitors can explore world-class museums like the Metropolitan Museum of Art, indulge in diverse culinary experiences, and catch a Broadway show. NYC ranks at number 1 due to its unparalleled vibrancy and endless opportunities for exploration, making it a top destination for travelers from around the globe. Its dynamic atmosphere and cultural richness create an unforgettable experience, solidifying its place as the ultimate travel destination. In this video, we explored the top 15 best places to visit in the USA, from the vibrant streets of New York City at number 1, to the breathtaking landscapes of Yellowstone National Park at number 3, and the iconic Grand Canyon at number 2. Each destination offers its own unique charm, rich history, and unforgettable experiences, making them must-visit spots for any traveler. We encourage you to dive deeper into these incredible locations and discover what makes them special. Whether you seek adventure, culture, or relaxation, the USA has something for everyone. So pack your bags and start planning your next adventure. There's a world of exploration waiting for you. Make the background music relaxing.